Grammy-nominated superstar dancehall recording artist Spice along with Shaggy Sean Paul makes Obama's favorite music list of 2021. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. As you know, dancehall recording artist Spice had a wonderful year with the release of her album and a number of collaborations as well. And I can tell you, she did this in fine style, and she still continues to dominate the music space with her song Wine and Go Down There, which was featured on the favorite list of Obama's 2021 music list. So congratulations are in high order for the dancehall recording artist Spice along with Shaggy and Sean Paul. So the former president of the United States, Mr. Barack Obama, has listed Go Down There by Jamaican recording superstars Spice, Sean Paul and Shaggy as one of his favorite songs of 2021. For the past several years, Obama had shared a number of Jamaican artists, including books and also other things and television shows with his social media followers of what he loves to watch. In the 2021 edition shared to social media earlier today, Obama listed the mega hit song from Queen of the Dancehall featuring veterans such as Shaggy and Sean Paul, which was released earlier this year as one of his favorite songs of 2021. The song Wine and Go Down There was also featured on Spice album 10, which was released on August the 6th and peaked at number 6 on the Billboard Reggae album chart. The album, which was executively produced by Shaggy, has also been nominated in the Best Reggae Album category for the 94th Grammy Award set for next year. It is the DJ's first Grammy nomination, and that is dancehall recording artist Spice. So it's a good look right now for Spice after she took to her social media platform and she actually made a post about the whole entire thing. And it's just been a good year for Spice despite the challenges that she faced and a number of controversies that arise. She still continues to dominate the music space and put her best out there. So in a post on her social media platform, and I can tell you that Spice is very elated based on this, and her fans right now, they are actually anticipating the moment whether or not Spice will actually capture the Grammy. So Shaggy also made a post as well underneath what Spice posted on her social media. So this is Obama's favorite music list of 2021, and as you could see there, Go Down There is featured on the list. So Spice made a post on her social media platform Instagram, and this was what she wrote. Just when I thought my year couldn't end any better, Mr. Obama, and she tagged Mr. Obama in this, announced that he has been listening to my song, Go Down There, woo, my price gone up again. That was what Spice wrote, and she tagged a number of individuals into this hashtag Grammy nominated Recording Academy, VP Records, Dottie, Sean Paul, and a number of other the real Shaggy, and these individuals were actually tagged into this post. But all I can say, it's a good look for a dancehall recording artist Super Spice, and it's not the first time that an individual from the Jamaican music genre has been listed on the Obama's favorite list. Well, it seems as if Mr. Obama is a big fan of reggae music and dancehall music per se, because Spice is not the only artist that has been featured on the list of Obama, because I can recall some years ago Coffee was also featured on his favorite music playlist, and this just goes to show you that Jamaican music, it is spreading across the world, and it still continues to be a dominant music even though it's still on the line and want to be more publicized on the international space. What is a good look for the dancehall entertainer Spice along with Shaggy and Sean Paul, who collaborated with the song, and the song has done really well for the dancehall entertainer Spice musical career. This is where we're gonna leave this one for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to watching Links 007 TV. And if it's the first time you're watching, please do the golden rule, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest celebrity news. Bless.